PPHM currently at 54 cents right now. It's been a while since we've looked at this one. It's going to be over here at the 10th of March. And it was at 64 cents then. But one thing I want to point out is what I said right here. Support at 57/56. I said 56 is a must hold. And you can go back and check out that video. And I said that over a month ago, that 56 is a must hold. Even though you guys were way up there, you guys came down to it. But check this out. On the 11th, hit that low of 56 right there. And then over here on the 12th, you opened at 56. And then look what happened off of that. Boom, it just fell apart completely, came down to that 48. But I guess there was a little bit of sunshine here in this darkness of the last 4 days of a beat down here, is that you are completely outside that upper Bollinger Band right now. If we zoom into this, the lower Bollinger Band, completely outside of it. Same thing, what happens when you're outside, you pull back down. What happens when you're on the outside of the bottom, you pull back in. Same exact thing. So we're going to be watching for a bounce here, maybe a little bit of a rally up here. Nothing huge, in my opinion. Could it be? It's possible. But right now we're going to be watching for that pullback back into that lower Bollinger Band, a little bit of a rally off that 54. How far can it go? It's hard to say, in my opinion, but we're going to be watching for maybe around the 60 at least. Not huge moves just yet, but hopefully that sparks some interest here and push you guys up even more. So again, this one was requested, wanted to cover it and get my opinion in this one as well. Put in today's date. Now that support, like I told you, had to hold, is going to turn into a resistance level, and off of that's going to be that 60, and then followed up with the moving averages. So 61 is going to be that one, but we'll put in 65, and then 65, 66. Look at that. So a break of 65 would be a big sign for this one, and I'll put that in here as well. See, one thing that you can obviously see here, there isn't, I mean, between 56, I mean, it might sound like a lot, but between, 56 and 65, you guys aren't really that far off of it. And with a decent day of buying pressure, I mean, you can probably get up there fairly quick. So keep that in mind. It's not like we're talking about $5 and you're down to 50 cents or anything like that. So PPHM, go ahead and read this to you guys one last time here. So 54, watch for a pullback into lower Bollinger Band. Resistance at 56, 60, and 65. Support at 48 must hold. A break of 65. This could rally much higher, in my opinion. PPHM, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've learned anything from here, I'd appreciate it. Get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. And be sure to join us at our next live stream over at investorshangout.com/live.